Well, at some time in their lives, many people have legal issues that will require professional advice. Many of us don't get the help we need, either due to cost or confusions as to where to start. Joining us today is celebrity attorney Lisa Bloom, who has spent her career advocating for better access to legal support for all people with issues large or small. Joining us today, once again, thank you so much with that affordable legal advice. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Tom. I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Joining us from Los Angeles, California today. How important is it for people to take control of their legal needs?
Well, I think it's just as important as taking care of your medical problems. You shouldn't wait if you have a health issue, and you shouldn't wait if you have a legal problem. Many people don't know that in the law, there are time limitations to just about any kind of a case. And so many people come to me in my practice in Los Angeles, and unfortunately, it's too late to help them. So I encourage anybody who thinks they might have a legal issue, or even if you just have a question about your rights, to reach out and get those answers.
And what is a good first step in obtaining quality, affordable legal information? Because a lot of people are afraid it's going to be extremely expensive sometimes, but yet you know where to go for the affordable legal information.
Well, that's right. And it used to be very expensive. But the good news is, through the power of the internet, we've brought that cost way, way down. So you want to go to avvo.com, avvo.com. You can ask questions there for free online. And within about 24 hours, a real lawyer who practices in that area in your jurisdiction will give you the answer to your legal question. Amazing, right? So you're going to get free legal advice. Over 6 million questions have already been answered, so you can go on Avvo and see if your question has already been answered. And you can also get reviews of 97% of attorneys in the country. So I have a profile up on Avvo. I'm very proud that I have a 10.0 rating. Lots of attorneys have very good ratings on Avvo, so you can go look for an attorney there. And on the profile pages, when all of this is free, you can find out what clients have said about that attorney. You can find out what other attorneys have said. You can find out if there's been disciplinary actions. You can find out if the attorney has written articles in your field. So you can get lots and lots of really quality, good information before you make a decision about a lawyer.
Getting a 10.0, I don't think it gets any better than that, does it?
And you know what? I worked hard for that. I've been practicing law for 28 years, and I really take pride in my client reviews, especially.
Absolutely. We know about how well that you do in the court, that's for sure. Now, what are some of the easy ways a person can take control of their legal situation?
Right. So, you know, take control. You really hit the nail on the head. That's the important part. I think probably the biggest hurdle for people is just the psychological hurdle of, oh, I don't want to reach out to an attorney, right? Attorneys are scary people. They're aggressive. They're intimidating. And the good news is we're actually human beings like anybody else. We want to help you. So just go to Avvo. You can find all of the listings, all of the information. Just take that first step, and I promise we're not going to bite you.
I'll tell you what, avvo.com, what a great source, what a great website to go to for that information for someone who may be totally confused. Now tell us about it. When does a person really need an attorney, need to hire an attorney?
Well, I think once you start having real questions in your mind about what your legal rights are, that's the time to reach out. 1 in 2 people will need a family law attorney in their lifetimes, for example. Whether you have an elder care or elder abuse issue, a child custody or divorce issue. Oftentimes, it's the person who reaches out first who gets the best legal help, so don't wait.
Lisa Bloom, thank you so much for getting up so early this morning from Los Angeles, California. Have a great day.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
And we've got more after the break, so please stay with us.